On the off chance that you're searching for Star Atlas DAO cost expectations figure for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Star Atlas DAO Polis will go from now on. We will break down the past costs of Star Atlas DAO Polis and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master experts. Also, anticipating something so amazing is totally inconceivable. Yet, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Star Atlas DAO is $510 and Polis is right now positioned #552 in the whole crypto environment. The dissemination supply of Star Atlas DAO is 248,789,492 with a market cap of $62,438,525. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Star Atlas DAO's cost has shown a decent increment of 11.21% as of now. From most recent 7 days, the Polis was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 373%. Star Atlas DAO has shown areas of strength for extremely of late, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and contribute. Star Atlas DAO Value Forecast Adding Machine. Our Polis forecast number cruncher utilizes progressed calculations and AI models dissect a huge swath of elements, from verifiable value information to showcase feeling, to give an extensive expectation of Star Atlas DAO. Just information your ideal time span and see the possible anticipated worth of Star Atlas DAO. Our mini computer will produce a far-reaching rundown of month-to-month cost expectations. Star Atlas DAO Benefit Number Cruncher is a free instrument that permits you to quickly assess the presentation of your Polis property by computing possible benefits and misfortunes in light of fluctuating business sector costs. Essentially enter the sum you have contributed, the purchasing cost, and the sell value, expense, and our Polis mini computer will wrap up. We foresee future Star Atlas DAO cost expectations plus estimate by applying profound man-made reasoning helped specialized examination on the past value information of Star Atlas DAO. We give a valiant effort to gather most extreme verifiable information for the Polis coin, which incorporate numerous boundaries like past value, Star Atlas DAO market cap, Star Atlas DAO volume, and not many more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into computerized cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your ventures, try to peruse our expectations. Star Atlas DAO Value Expectation Synopsis. Star Atlas DAO cost figure recommends a chance of Polis exchanging between $0.4235 to $0.5207 in 2025. Star Atlas DAO Polis is estimated to arrive at a typical cost of $0.79 toward the finish of 2030. As of the most recent update, Star Atlas DAO is exchanging at around $1.2510. The negative cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO Polis in 2040 is $133.38, with a likely high of $163.31. Our Star Atlas DAO long haul estimate for 2050 recommends Polis possibly going somewhere in the range of $205.99 and $236.01. Star Atlas DAO Value Forecast 2024. According to the estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2024 the cost of Star Atlas DAO is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $1.9042. The Polis cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $368 with the typical exchanging cost of $3,058. Star Atlas DAO Value Forecast 2025. The cost of Star Atlas DAO is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $42.35 in 2025. The Star Atlas DAO cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $1.5207 with the typical cost of $1.4357 all through 2025. Polis value conjecture for 2026. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Polis, in 2026 the cost of Star Atlas DAO is anticipated to reach at least degree of $1.5974. The Polis cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.7353 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.6149. Star Atlas DAO Polis value expectation 2027. The cost of one Star Atlas DAO is supposed to reach at least degree of $0.9932 in 2027. The Polis cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $1.05 with the typical cost of $0.9378 all through 2027. Star Atlas DAO Value Forecast 2028. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Polies, in 2028 the cost of Star Atlas DAO is gauged to be at around a base worth of $1.25. The Star Atlas DAO value worth can arrive at a limit of $157 with a typical exchanging worth of $130 in USD. Star Atlas DAO value expectation 2029. Star Atlas DAO cost is conjectured to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $0.91 in 2029. According to our discoveries, the Polies cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $0.17 with a typical estimate cost of $0.96. Star Atlas DAO Polies value forecast 2030. The cost of Star Atlas DAO is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $0.72 in 2030. The Star Atlas DAO cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $3.30 with a typical exchanging cost of $0.79 all through 2030. Star Atlas DAO value conjecture 2031. According to the gauge and specialized examination, in 2031 the cost of Star Atlas DAO is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $4.11. The Polies cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $4.68 with the typical worth of $4.22. Star Atlas DAO Polies value forecast 2032. Star Atlas DAO cost is gauged to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $5.80 in 2032. According to our discoveries, the Polies cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $1.22 with the typical conjecture cost of $6.01. Star Atlas DAO value forecast 2033. The cost of Star Atlas DAO is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $8.61 in 2033. The Star Atlas DAO cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $10.25 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.91 all through 2033. Star Atlas DAO value estimate 2040. The reception and certifiable use instances of a digital money are similarly imperative contemplations. Projects with common sense applications and broad reception are bound to persevere over the long haul. According to the Star Atlas DAO cost figure for 2040, Polies is expected to arrive at a greatest value worth of $163.31 in 2040. The base anticipated cost of Polies coin in 2040 is supposed to be around $133.38, while the typical cost of the Star Atlas DAO for 2040 is projected to be $143.89. Polies value estimate for 2050. Associations and joint efforts with laid-out organizations or ventures can contribute essentially to standard acknowledgement. In light of our Star Atlas DAO cost expectation in 2050, the base anticipated cost is $205.99 and can reach as high as $236.01 for the year 2050. It can exchange at a normal typical cost of $215.52. Star Atlas DAO value gauge facts.